Hello everyone. Welcome to Full Reviews. In today's video, we will present you our top 5 mini drones that are making waves in the tech world. These little devices are perfect for those who want to explore the world from above and capture amazing moments, being compact wonders of technology and perfect for both beginners and experienced drone enthusiasts. We will discuss the advantages, technical features and key aspects that are important to consumers, such as performance, durability, ease of use and value for money. Let's get started. Top 5 RADCLO Mini Drone. In the number 5 spot we have the RADCLO Mini Drone. This mini drone features a built-in camera that allows you to capture high-quality images and videos from the air. Its compact and lightweight design makes it easy to carry, and its ease of use makes it an excellent choice for beginners. In addition, it offers excellent value for money. It is the cheapest of the top, being a very viable option if you want to spend less than $100. Top 4 RADCLO F11 Mini. In 4th place we have the RADCLO F11 Mini. This mini drone stands out for its battery life, allowing you to enjoy longer flights without interruptions. In addition, it features a high-resolution camera that allows you to capture clear images and videos. Its GPS positioning system ensures a stable and safe flight. Although it may be a bit more expensive than the previous post, being priced at around $270, its quality and features make it worth it. Before continuing with the top, I remind you that you can view in the description or in the comments the direct links to these products with great discounts and coupons if you want to buy them, so you save yourself the search and a little money, plus of course help the channel with my affiliate links. Without further ado, let's continue. Top 3 DJI Mini 2SA. In the number 3 spot we have the DJI Mini 2SA. This mini drone is best known for its 4K video quality, allowing you to capture stunning images and videos. Its flight stability is exceptional, thanks to the built-in sensors that ensures a smooth and precise flight experience. Although it has a higher price tag at around $340, its performance and features make it a popular choice among drone enthusiasts who want a mini drone with excellent features without reaching the high-end prices of $600 and $800. Top 2 Boeing F7 Mini. In the 2nd position we have the Boeing F7 Mini. This mini drone stands out for its foldable and portable design, which greatly facilitates its transport. Its high-definition 4K camera allows you to capture images and videos of very amazing quality for the price it approaches, not going over $320. Although its battery life is somewhat limited compared to other models, its ease of flight and affordable price make it an option to consider. Top 1 RADCLO Teo. Finally, we have the RADCLO Teo. This mini drone is known for being the quality price par excellence, being very affordable with its price that hardly exceeds $160 on Amazon. It is a drone easy to fly and control through the mobile app, which makes it ideal for beginners thanks to Scratch, a programming system developed by MIT that turns drone flying into a learning experience. Although its battery life is limited as is normal in this price range, its HD camera and programmable flight functions make it a popular choice for those who want to experiment and learn at the lowest possible cost. In conclusion, we have reviewed our top 5 mini drones. Whether you're a drone enthusiast looking for your next gadget, or a beginner just diving into the world of drones, these mini drones have something to offer you. Their compact sizes make them perfect for indoor and outdoor use, and their impressive performance offers a truly enjoyable flying experience. While it should be noted that the general disadvantage of all these mini drones' price quality may be their battery, it is important to consider that they are great options for those hobbyists who want great performance without having to reach the big price tags of a high-end. Remember to consider performance, durability, ease of use and value for money when choosing the right mini drone for you. Also evaluate your needs and preferences before making a purchase decision. Whatever you're looking for, you're sure to find it in one of these 5 best mini drones. So dive into the world of drones. Explore, learn and have fun. After all, the sky's the limit. Before we finish, remember that each of these products can be found in the description link with great discounts, so you can buy them at great prices along with my affiliate link. Hurry, because the savings and coupons are for a limited time. We hope you found this video useful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Full Reviews signing off.